Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line annotations down here are coming from. But once again, a very, very nice move, and the one thing that I'm just actually noticing right now, a very nice ramp up in volume. I mean, you have some nice stair steps from the volume going into the close. So, yeah, good solid volume action right there. But let's get things updated, and, yeah, I mean, it's funny, you see some of these stocks out there being talked about, and then you're like, why are so many people talking about that? And then you have, not that this one's not being talked about, but, you know, this is a nice looking trend, and yet you would think there'd be more people talking about it than actually are. But one of the newest areas of support is right up here at 0067. That's the, you know, the breakout point that occurred late afternoon. It formed as a level of resistance throughout the course of, you know, the morning, and then late morning, early afternoon, but with the price finally breaking above it. That is what I would consider one of the newest areas of support, and the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best and strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 0067. But with that being said, if the price doesn't hold above it, it's not like the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Next level of support, and one of the newest levels, would be right up here at 006. So 006, 0067, and as I've talked about in the past, and I'm going to continue to talk about it because it really does, you know, make things much more efficient, is that assuming you care about the big picture of it all, just watch that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name states, that line is going to move itself and get higher and higher. So big picture point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength. How you can best visualize that? No questions asked. As far as levels of resistance, you know, I'm not even going to talk about that, as I've said in the past, and I'm going to continue to say I don't really care. Resistance levels don't matter that much for charts like this, because as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, which is what? Building higher bases, well then yeah, as long as the price builds higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So just focus on building those higher lows and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.